Okay guys, in this project we're going to be making a scroll indicator using only CSS. So we're going to have it up here, and we're only going to have an H1 here and a few paragraphs. And then once we scroll down, you're going to see this fill up at the top. And then we can scroll with the mouse as well. And once it comes to an end, it's just going to disappear. And then we scroll back up, it's going to go backwards. So this is going to be a simpler project here. I only have index.html and style CSS. So we're gonna get the basic template here, and then here we want to link our CSS. So style.css, and then inside our body we're gonna have a section, an H1 here that's just gonna say CSS scroll indicator, and then here we're gonna make a paragraph. We're gonna type lorem to get some lorem ipsum text. And then let's open this with live server so we can see how it looks like here. So this is what we currently have. So we only have one paragraph, but I'm gonna add 13 more. So we're gonna have 14 of these. Well, we can add a bit more. It doesn't matter. You can have as many as you want here. It's just for testing right now. And then we're gonna go to our style CSS because that's all the HTML we're gonna have. We're gonna do box sizing border box here. And we're gonna add a font family of sans serif to all the elements. And then here we want to target our body. And we're gonna remove the margin first. And let's come back to the body later because body is gonna contain this part. So let's just fix our sections first. So here we can target our section. We're just gonna make it 50% in width, and we're gonna center it on the page. So margin 0 auto. And then we're gonna add font size of 24 pixels. And then for our H1, we're just gonna add a pink color. And those are all the styles for our section. So now let's come back to our body here. So we're gonna have few things. We're gonna add a background first. That's gonna be a linear gradient. It's gonna be to right, top. And then the colors here. So the first color is gonna be this pink one. So EF, see 74B1. Then we're gonna add 50%, comma, and then we wanna add another background, which is this gray one that's gonna be showing right here. So for that, we're gonna do 777, not 777, sorry, DDD, and we're also gonna do 50%. So this is how it looks right now. Nothing like we wanted, like it looks here. So let's fix that. We're gonna add background size, and we're gonna have 100% here, then calc. We're gonna have 100% minus 100 VH plus minus 6 pixels. So 6 pixels is what this thing is gonna be in height. And then we also want it to not repeat, so we're gonna add background, repeat, no repeat here. And then here, we can target body before. We're gonna make it 100% in width. We're gonna add a background of white. We're gonna make content an empty string, position fixed. We're gonna do top 0. Or let's do, shall we need 6 here? So top 6, we're gonna do bottom 0. So as you can see now that's there, and we can also maybe change this to, let's say, 12, and we're gonna do top 12 here just to make it a bit bigger. And then the last thing we need to add, if we scroll down, you're gonna see text appearing here. So this whole thing is on top of our section and everything else, as you can see here, since we're able to see text. So the only thing left that we want to add here is we want to do z index, and we want to do -1, so it's behind the section. So if we save that, we're going to see it here, and our section is back where it was. And that would be it for everything we need to actually make this working. So now if you scroll down, you're gonna see this moving. Scroll down a bit more, and once we come to the end, it's gone. Then if we go back, it's just gonna start going backwards here. And I just added a lot of these just so you guys can test it. So this is only gonna work once you have all of these greater than the height of the section. So you need to make a lot of either paragraphs or whatever you might have inside the sections, maybe cards. Just the height of these needs to be greater than the section height, just so we have a scroll at the first place and then we can scroll here. So that would be it for this small project. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.